I'd like to take this opportunity to invite each one of you to look into your own hearts, to recognize that God is present and that perhaps in many different ways, God is reaching out to you, calling you, inviting you to know His Son, Jesus Christ, through the Scriptures, perhaps through a friend or a relative, a grandparent who might be a person of faith. We have to look for ways of coming together and promoting a message of hope. St. Augustine says to us that if we want the world to be a better place, we have to begin with ourselves. We have to begin with our own lives, our own hearts. We all live with many questions in our hearts. St. Augustine speaks so often of our restless hearts and says, "Our hearts are restless until they rest in you, O God." That restlessness is not a bad thing, and we shouldn't look for ways to put out the fire, to eliminate or even numb ourselves to the tensions that we feel, the difficulties that we experience. We should rather get in touch with our own hearts and recognize that God can work in our lives, and through us, reach out to other people. May the Lord's love and peace come upon each and every one of you, upon your families, and may God bless all of you so that you might always be beacons of hope, sign of hope and peace throughout our world.